couple of days ago, a customer called and asked me if I would accept a load of logs for the sawmill already. And I said yes. I don't know if that was a mistake or not. Here it is. He brought these logs. And now I'm not sure if I did a mistake or not. I mean, the sawmill is not up yet. So now I'm a little bit under pressure. This is the sawmill I bought a while ago, and I need to install it and put it up first. It's a Norwood Sawmill, and yeah, I guess this project has priority now. Yeah, a little bit of healthy pressure doesn't hurt, right?